knocked out everybody. I'll try to hold it here, see if you can hear the noise she making. Not even, not even sleeping. That's tight, man.